I'm gonna show you how to use Trading 212 account for beginners. So to get started, I'll walk you through how to use Trading 212, one of the most popular and beginner-friendly trading platforms out there. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, ETFs, or try out CFD trading, this guide will get you started with the basics. First things first, what is Trading 212? Trading 212 is a free investment app that lets you buy and sell real stocks, ETFs, or trade using CFDs, that stands for Contracts for Difference. It's available on desktop and mobile, and it's known for its commission-free trading and easy-to-use interface. It offers two main modes. First is Invest, where you buy actual shares or ETFs. Second is CFD, where you speculate on price movements without owning the asset. So today we'll focus mainly on the invest side for beginners. Create and verify your account. To get started, go to trading212.com or download the Trading 212 app. Click sign up and enter your email and a secure password. You'll then be asked to verify your identity. This is required for security and regulation. You'll need a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. A proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. Verification usually takes less than a day. Once verified, you'll be able to access your account dashboard and start using the app. Now that your account is ready, it's time to add funds. From your dashboard, click the deposit button, or you can choose practice with virtual money. Choose your payment method. You can use bank transfer, debit, credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay depending on your device. Then enter the amount you want to deposit. There's no minimum deposit for the invest account, but you'll want to start with at least £10 or €10 to buy some shares. Funds usually appear instantly or within a few hours depending on your method. Once funded, let's look around the Trading 212 dashboard. On the main screen, you'll see search bar to look up any stock or ETF, watch lists to track your favorite assets, portfolio, this shows what you currently own, pie chart icon for auto invest and custom pies. It's clean, simple, and very beginner friendly. Next is how to buy your first stock. Let's buy your first stock. Here's how. Use the search bar at the top to type a company name. Let's say Apple. Click on Apple Inc. from the list. You'll see the stock's price, a simple chart, and key data like PE ratio and dividend yield. Hit the buy button. Now choose how much you want to invest. You can buy fractional shares, even with just a few dollars or pounds. Confirm the order type. For beginners, stick with market order, which buys instantly at the current price. Click review order, then send by order. You now own a piece of Apple or whichever stock you chose. Next is monitor and manage your portfolio. Now go to your portfolio tab to see what you own. Here you'll find your current holdings, the profit or loss on each stock, the total value of your portfolio. You can tap on any asset to sell your shares. Set up price alerts. View detailed charts and performance history. One cool feature of Trading 212 is Auto Invest and Pies. This lets you create a portfolio of multiple stocks or ETFs. Choose how much to invest regularly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Automatically rebalance over time. To use it, go to the pie icon at the bottom. Tap Create Pie. Add assets, for example, Apple, Microsoft, and an S&P 500 ETF. Set a target percentage for each. Confirm and start investing. Things to keep in mind. Before you jump in too deep, here are a few quick beginner tips. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research before buying any stock. Stick to invest mode at first. CFD trading is high risk and more suited to experienced traders. Keep long-term goals in mind. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Use the practice account demo mode to test things without using real money. Want to practice first? Switch to the practice account in the app settings. You'll get $50,000 in virtual money to test strategies without risk. And then to customize your settings, you have to go to this icon right here. You can check here for price alerts. You will be notified for the current events. And then you can also check your history, where you bought or sold your stocks or trades. Then settings. You will see your account right here. You can also choose to close your account. And then trading preferences. You have the option to turn the notifications of your choice from on to off. Then currency options. Here you can change the default buying currency where it is in USD, but you can change it to your own preference. Same goes for the default selling currency. Then next language. Here you can change the language to your liking or your preference.
Then next is notifications. You can change the notifications by clicking on one. For example, account activity. You can either turn on or off the push notifications, but in some settings you cannot change it. It's in default or it's just required. For example, in security and there's other ones. But on the others, same as social, you can either turn off the notifications in email, from push or in-app, or you can just turn it on. From price alerts too, it's either you can turn off the push or in-app application notifications, and then the others too.
Next is theme. It's either you can change it to light black or navy, or to your preference to liking. And here you can reset your account, your currency to change to euro or dollars, and then you can input the recent amount. So I'm gonna choose $50,000 and just press reset account. And then next is you can go to contact us, about us, or community forum if you want. And also you can click here just to log out to your account. And then that's pretty much it. That's how you set up your trading up 212 account, and that's how you use your trading 212 account. You can use it to trade forex, trade using CFD, or you can invest. So that's it.